I just wasn't going to class enough.
I'd wake up and think, all right, I've got to go to school, and then, yeah, just wouldn't bother.
I got into a little bit of trouble with the law.
School was not my thing, I don't think.
A whole year I went without doing anything, really.
I had depression, so I didn't really want to get up and go to school.
To be successful in the future, young people need to have quality relationships with people they trust, and we know that they need a quality education.
We settled on the model that we've got here, which is a personal, self-driven, student-focused individual program for students who are disengaging or are disengaged from mainstream school.
Got caught in the wrong crowd eventually, and then, yeah, and then I started going to skate parks and just no school.
Just wasn't learning at Traralgon College because I was just wagging pretty much every day.
There was no point in being there. I wasn't going to pay attention, so might as well not show up.
I was enrolled for about 6 months, but I only went for like 5 days.
So all the students that come here, mainstream schooling hasn't worked. For a lot of these young people, I think the average time out of school for the students that I've got here is about 5 months. And so for them, it's not just about the education, it's about routine, it's about socialisation. It's simply about getting out of bed on a day-to-day basis, coming to school in a learning environment.
We do a fair bit of maths, do a bit of writing, so a bit of English, do a bit of sport, a bit of woodwork. Yeah, it's awesome. Whenever you put your hand, ask for help, they'll come and help you. They're just real nice to everyone.
Like, I was shocking at maths, and now I understand it a lot more, how to do some of the math questions and everything else. They've given me ways to do it easier that I can cope with without stressing like, oh, I'll never get it done and I'm terrible at it.
Well, they give you the freedom to do what you want, and so if you want to do maths that day, you come and do some maths. If you want to do English, you go do the English. It's pretty good.
The work that they give you, it's great. They help you out so much. With applications for jobs, they're really good at helping you out with that as well. I really like it here.
I think for these young people, it's about being connected. They feel ownership to here, and I'm sure you've seen when you've sort of gone around all the artwork here, you know, it's theirs, and they feel a real sense of belonging and ownership. To hear their parents or their carers who they work with actually say their attitude and the turnaround in their attitude is incredible.
He's got so much potential. I found it frustrating that he was sort of following the crowd and not sort of making decisions for himself.
She thinks it's going to be a big step up, yeah, really a boost.
Just our relationship is much better because of me being on his back less and him making better decisions for himself. He's focused now, he's motivated to get up and go to school, he's interested in it. Yeah, it's been really positive for him and for me actually, yeah.
Well, when I was wagging, she was real disappointed in me. I wasn't learning.
Yeah, he just didn't want to be at school, just didn't like it. So this was our last option for him to get an education. Otherwise, yeah, he'd be just bumming around the streets. But since he's been at Flow, I've seen a huge, huge difference in him again.
And then when I got enrolled here, she was real happy. Come home every day and tell her how my day's been enjoying it.
Comes home and I say, how'd you go at school today? And I did this in art, or we built this today, or it's just good to see him going to school again instead of wagging. I'm very proud of him, very proud of him.
Not a destination school, but there's no time frame. So if they need to be here for 6 months, that's fine. If they need to be here for 12, 18 months, 2 years, that's fine. The end goal is, though, to identify what they want to end up doing and provide that pathway for them.
Well, I'm thinking of heading off to school after this, so...
They asked me, what do you want to do? Do you want to go get a job? Do you want to go back to school? And I said I wanted to go back to school.
I'm not 100% sure on what I want to do, but it's definitely going to help me.
I just keep improving, and then eventually I'll be able to go to proper mainstream schools and stay up with their way of doing it.
Going today to TC to see if I can start doing a couple more days a week, because I know I need to get my schooling back on track.
Probably half my kids would fit into that category of they haven't left their bedroom for maybe 3 months, it might be 6 months. So to see them bounding in the door, you know, they're grabbing their work, they're sitting down, they're going from, that's self-esteem, and that's so important.
Definitely brought my self-esteem back up.
You know, when I did nothing, I felt like I was wasting my time not doing anything.
Rather be here, making something out of my life than be out there doing something stupid.
He's a totally different sort of person because of his attitude. Yeah, he's more mature.
I feel like I'm actually going to make it somewhere now.
He's stepping up into being a, you know, young man.
And you can actually see he's a happier kid again instead of being sad and miserable all the time.
Absolutely great. I love it. Fantastic.
It's been good.
Just a really good place.